Hi guys, welcome back. Alright, so back again with another recipe for you guys. We're going to be doing some jerk infused black bean burger. So we're going to make the meat of what makes up the burger meat, and also I'm going to show you guys how to make the burger bun, right? So right here is some potato sticks that have been soaking for some time now, just to soak out some of the starch out of it. Now you can be very creative in building up your burger, right? So we can use lettuce, pineapple, pickle, vegan cheese, mayo, of course, whatever it is that you like, you can add it. Now before I even get into it, guys, you know what I'm going to say. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to the channel so we can be able to create more content for you. Press the notification bell so you don't miss an episode, right? Alright, let's get started. Alright, so we're going to add some small paprika because I'm going to add all my dry ingredients first that I'm going to be using in the black bean. And this is some coriander. Can use all like a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of each, right guys? Or you season pretty much just to taste. Onion powder, some cumin, and as you know, salt and pepper. I like to just mix these before I add them to the bean because, you know, I don't want anything just be one place. I want it to distribute all over, and I prefer to mix it this way before adding it to the bean, right? Alright, we're adding some mushroom just to give it some body. You can cut them up as fine as you can. And believe me guys, this recipe is so easy to make. I mean, it looks time consuming, but trust me, it's not. All you have to do is just prepare all your ingredients ahead of time, and also you can make this and put it in the freezer, and you can just go there and, you know, take out a patty, a burger patty, and it is super convenient, you know. And guys, remember too, you can just search around in your fridge to see if you have the ingredients. This recipe does not require you to go out of your way and spend no whole heap of money. It's very convenient and cost effective. I like to saute my vegetables, guys, because I think that the flavor bring out more in the burger patty when we saute them, as opposed to just blending them in the ingredients in the burger. So what you want to do now is to saute your vegetables, right? As usual, you saute the garlic first just for that flavor to come up some more, and a few seconds you can add the onions. So adding the onions and the celery. Adding also the mushrooms. Bear in mind that mushroom have a lot of water, so you want them to dry up most of the water as possible. And we also add in some carrots. Alright, so pretty much what I did was to get like about a cup of black bean. So what I did was to just divide it in two. So I want to crush one side and leave the other side. I mean, you can always go ahead to and do it in a food processor, but I prefer to see how much I am crushing, because I don't have luck with the food processor. Every time I do it, it just come out too mushy, and I don't like it that way. Alright, so now you can go ahead and add your seasonings. With some salt. And your corn. Your sauteed vegetables from earlier. For the binder, guys, I'm going to be adding some breadcrumb and some oats flour. Now I just blend out this to make the flour. Now the star of the show, the jerk seasoning. Now guys, you can go ahead and you can select the one that you like, hot, extra hot, mild. I'm choosing the hot one. You can also add it to your spicy level. Now I like a lot of spice, I'll be using a good amount, right? Alright, so let's mix it in. And usually, you know, you make this marinade and then we're going to put it in the freezer. I think even when it sits overnight, you get a better result, but for today's purpose, I'm not going to put it overnight, right? Alright guys, so after you put enough in your hand, just roll it into a little ball or form it into a little ball. I'm so bad with making things looking identical, so what you want to do is to just spread it out in your hand and just bring the sides in, right? So each time you spread it out and you kind of bring the side in. And you see why I didn't want the peas to crush out too much, because you see what's happening here, like the ones that are crushed out is what helped to bind it with the breadcrumb and the oat flour. I really don't like it to be too mushy, especially when for me like eat and taste texture in my mouth. So like, you know, me like to bite down on whatever me I eat. Yes, so but if you don't want it this way, then you can go ahead guys again and you can just blend it out how you like it. I think this look maybe like these now, right? So we're gonna put them there and do this, repeat the same procedure with the others. Alright guys, I've talked about bread making in a few videos. I can tag those. I'm not gonna get too much in detail with this one. Alright, so what I add to this one, to the flour, was some salt. Alright, so now we're going to bloom these. And we can wait until these blossom to start with it. Alright, so you want to create like a soft dough, not too soft. guys, you want to roll it until you get a smooth enough dough, or you want to roll it until enough gluten is developed, right? So we're just going to rest this in a cool place or warm enough place to rise. Alright guys, time to deflate. And that's how we know we have a perfect bread dough. And again, we want these to be around 3 ounces or 3.5. Alright, now so you're going to do roll the dough in the palm of your hand to create a smooth surface. You can also roll it on the countertop, right? You can just put it down, and then I like to just flat them out a little, so you know when them rise they will double in size. Alright guys, what I did with the potatoes was to just add it to a bowl with lids. If you have Ziploc bag, you can use it. I also added some cornstarch, a little bit of smoked paprika, and then you're just gonna shake it up just to coat them for a little. And voila, you have yourself some nice French fries, sweet potato French fries. You can just add them to your baking sheet, on the baking sheet rather, and that's it. What we're going to do too is to finish coating the burger buns with vegan butter. And then we're sprinkling some sesame seed, right? We're going to bake these at 250 degrees for 15 minutes. Alright, let's give these a turn. Be very gentle. This one, I think this one can come out. I mean, I tell you guys, the jerk seasoning turn up in there. So nice. Alright guys, you can see our bun as baked, or potato fries came out very nice. Alright, so these are warm, but I'm just gonna open one and show you guys how it looks, and assemble a burger at the same time for you guys. Alright guys, so the mayonnaise, it's on my channel. I made it, so I made some more just for this purpose. So let's open our bun. So you can spread just enough mayo for your liking. And any topping that you like, right? Oh my god guys, you can't tell me this don't look nice. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Until next time, bye.